Hello everybody and welcome back to a very exciting video. Today is actually my first sponsored video ever. A company called Lasfit reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try out some LED headlight bulbs that they were offering. Of course I said yes, and they sent them out and they arrived within just a couple of days. I'm gonna show you the box and the packaging and everything in just a second, but I was very impressed with the packaging, everything that it came with. It was a good experience overall. After I show you guys this product and install it in my 1993 Honda Civic hatchback, if you guys are interested, Lasfit gave me a coupon code just for you guys for 10% off. That coupon code will be in all caps. It's John-Lasfit. I'll put the link in the description. Also, here it is on the screen right here. Please check them out if you guys are interested in some LED bulbs for your car. They have all kinds of options, bunch of different makes and models, so please go check them out. With that being said, let's show you guys the packaging, let's show you guys the product, and then let's go get it installed in the car and check out how it looks. So guys, this is what I received from them. It's just a nice black box. It came in a shipping envelope, and when you open it up, the first thing you see is Lasfit Elite Club. If you leave a detailed review and sign up at lasfit.com, you become an eligible member for free prototypes. I believe you do have to order a product though, so. Next, you get a product manual. They're literally just headlight bulbs that plug right in, so it shouldn't really require too much explanation, but there's that. They gave me 3 stickers. I'm gonna definitely be putting this one on the 335i in white, and the black one will probably go on the Civic, and then this one will probably go on my toolbox. And then here are the bulbs. So they're really nice, self-contained units. All of the hardware and electronics are inside of this back end of the bulb. I really hope they fit in my headlight housings because they do look really nice and really quality. So this is an H4 style bulb. This is what goes in my 1993 Honda Civic. This is the harness plug. This should just plug straight in. Overall, this build quality is awesome. It's all metal. This is like a nice braided line. Shouldn't have any issues. With all that being said, there isn't really much else to say other than it was a pleasure working with this company. And I'm gonna go get these installed in the car and see how they look. And I told them I'm giving my honest opinion. So if I don't like them, I'm gonna say it. If I do, I'm gonna say it. All right guys, so here we are. This car's really dirty right now. Engine bay is not too bad, but hope I have enough room here because I just installed this catch can. If you guys wanna see the video on this catch can install, that'll also be in the description, or you know what, I'll put a tag right up here in the corner. Anyway, it looks like I just have to take off this rubber cap, undo a little clip, and the stock bulb comes out just like that. Now you can see the stock bulb is plugged straight into this harness. I don't want to ruin these bulbs just in case because they are in good shape, but they just unplug like that. So now this cable should plug straight into this harness, and then this whole unit should sit inside of there. I hope it fits. That's the only concern that I have, just because this H4, this back end unit is pretty big for this application. It looks like it just goes. Oh man, I don't know if she's gonna fit, boys. It might have been easier to start on that side and take off that intake. You know what, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually start on that side, just so that I can figure out exactly how they're supposed to go.
You're gonna go and close the garage?
Yep, I got it, dudes. All right, so I guess something that you get with this is that while yes, it's a very nice package to have all the hardware for the bulb inside the unit itself, that's super awesome in terms of like ease of installation. However, it does add some bulk to the design, which makes it a little bit snug inside the headlight housing, making it a little bit more difficult to install than I expected, but it really shouldn't be too bad. I just have to work on getting this one thing, the little clamp that holds the bulb on. I just have to work on getting that lined up. All right, so I finally got it on. I put the rubber cap back on, just got to plug them in. Easy as that. Tuck that down away. And then I just have to do the same thing on the driver's side, and then we're gonna test out these bulbs and see how they look. Now, real quick, I'm not gonna look, but I wanna give you a before and after, so I actually do wanna show you how the original bulb looked on the driver's side. I'm not gonna look at the passenger side, like I promise you I'm not gonna look because I wanna like kind of react to this once they're both on. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna unplug this one so it won't turn on when I turn on the headlights. I'm gonna put the stock bulb back in so you can see what it looks like before and after the LED install. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the headlights and show you the stock bulb. So that's what the stock bulb looks like. It's pretty warm light, and these new bulbs are 6000 K, so it should be a pure white look, which I think is gonna look very clean. Okay boys, so after some trials, some tribulations, we got the bulbs in the car, and we're gonna go ahead and check them out for the first time. Crossing my fingers that they work. Jesus, look at how dirty my hands got just from installing some bulbs. This should have been a really easy install, but since my setup is so cramped because I have a turbo kit and everything, it was a little bit more difficult. Not the bulb's fault, that's my fault. We're having crazy engine bay. Do you think we should do it with the hood open or the hood closed?
Closed.
Hood closed? All right, let's close the hood. Car's really dirty right now, I'm sorry about that. Here we go. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, that like legit looks so mean. I love that look. Like personally, when I first got these headlight housings installed, I really liked the amber, not amber, but like the warmer lighting. I loved that it was like kind of fit the car, like period correct style. But this looks so mean and so crisp and so clean. Oh, it's such a good look. I wish my headlight housings weren't dirty right now. I'm gonna wipe them down. I'm gonna wipe them off. I'm gonna wait till it's a little bit dark out and then we're gonna get a nice cinematic edit going on with these things. It's gonna be cool. I'm gonna play that now. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little edit. These things look so good, and honestly, huge shout out to Lasfit. Like I said, I was gonna be giving my 100% honest opinion on this product, and like they really did pull through. It does look good, and I totally back up their product 100%. So like I said, if you guys are interested in some LED headlight bulbs, there's a coupon code in the description. Go ahead and check that out, get yourself 10% off. And huge thank you to Lasfit for reaching out to me. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. This was honestly like one of the coolest experiences I've had with YouTube outside of like meeting fans. It's so cool when like companies reach out to you and put faith in their product to be shown on someone's channel. And I've never experienced that before, so it was really cool to experience that. And I just want to say thank you to all of you guys that watch these videos and comment and like every single video, because without you guys, I wouldn't have companies like Lasfit reaching out to me, asking my opinion and to show my viewers their products and stuff like that. So if you guys want to support me, you want to support this channel, you want to give me opportunities to do more cool stuff like this, please subscribe, please like this video, and show your friends. Check out Lasfit. That's pretty much all I have to say today, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. And as I always say, remember to plan, commit, execute, attain your goals, and live the dream. Bye. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Dude. Oh, I didn't plug it in.
Oh, okay.
Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Damn it.